Welcome to Revision Hub. Today we're going to be looking at the topic and we're going to be looking at the unit of the biological approach. The biological approach assumes that biological structures and processes, for example the nervous system, our genes, etc., have to be studied in order to gain an understanding of human behaviour. Our thoughts can be explained by having an understanding of brain function and structure. Our mind lives in the brain, so our feelings, behaviors, and thoughts have a physical basis. Genetic basis of behavior. Behavior geneticists investigate if behavior characteristics, for example personality, intelligence, mental disorders, etc., are inherited, just like physical characteristics, for example eye color. Twin studies help identify if certain traits have a genetic basis by comparing concordance rates between pairs of twins to find out the degree to which both twins share the same characteristics. We have monozygotic twins that are identical twins and share 100% of their genes. Dizygotic twins are non-identical, so they only share 50% of their genes. Genotype is your genetic makeup, so a way to remember this is the first two letters of genotype are GE, and genetic, the first two letters are GE too. Phenotype are observable physical characteristics, so a way to remember this is phenotype, the first two letters are PH, and the first two letters of physical are also PH. The majority of human behavior is dependent on the interaction between inherited, so nature, and environmental, so nurture factors. Evolution, so all of you know Charles Darwin's approach, so natural selection, change over time, and so basically your genes, as they get passed on, they do sort of change, and the survival of the fittest. Strength of the biological approach is that it has real-life applications because a greater understanding is obtained about biochemical processes that take place in the brain which enable treatment, for example the development of psychoactive drugs to treat depression. Scientific investigation have been used, for example drug trials, scanning techniques like fMRI scans, increasing validity and rapidity. However, a weakness is that it's determinist, which means that you don't really have control over biological causes. So once again, it questions if it should be an area that we shouldn't stay as much as we're currently doing so. Another weakness is that nature and nurture cannot be separated, as their effects can't be individually studied, and this questions the usefulness of twin studies. In our next video we will look at the unit biopsychology, but before then make sure you've made your notes on what we've covered so far. Remember to revise, rest, test and repeat yourself. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram. Thank you to Canva because I made these slides using their templates. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, press the bell icon on our channel Revision Hub. Thank you so much.